Is how to add a drop down list to a Microsoft Word documents. At first launch Microsoft Word documents, and in Word documents go to the developer tab. If tab not visible in your Microsoft Word documents, I have already posted a video to how to insert or how to add a developer tab in Raven. Thereafter, go to drop down list content control option, click on it, and a box will appear. Thereafter, choose the option property from the same tab under controls tab, developer tabs under control option. Click on control properties. Here, give a title. Content control properties windows will open and give a title. We have chosen adding option. There are, you can also choose a color to your options, and here you will also make the check against option content control cannot be deleted if you want to protect your system, your options. Thereafter, drop down list properties, click on add and choose the options through insert. I have chosen, click OK, choose another option, add choice, display name and value name would be same, and you can also drop down list as per your choice how many numbers to add your choice. Click on OK, and finally if you want to change your drop down list property, simply click up or move down. If you want to change sequence of your choices drop down list, simply click on move up or move down key and click on OK. Now your drop down list will successfully added to your Word document. Click on it, choose arrow mark, and you will find the option you have recently created. Drop down list to a Word documents. Select any of them. You can choose from here. Okay guys, then how to add a drop down list to Word document is successfully created here to your Microsoft Word document. That's all.